How to see all of the Facebook posts that you are mentioned. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Talks. To see all of the Facebook posts that you are mentioned, open Facebook. Now on top right hand side of your screen, you can see this search icon. Click on that. Here on top of your screen, you can see this search box. So click on that and then type mentions of you. Make sure the spellings are correct and are matched to the video. So after typing, simply click on search. Now Facebook will show all of the posts that you have been mentioned to. So simply scroll to find more. If this doesn't work for you, simply go back. Again click on the search icon and then scroll down to bottom. Here you can see more to try on Facebook. So right below it you will be able to see all these options. So simply click on mentions of you and you will be directed to all of the posts that you have been mentioned. This is how you see all the Facebook posts that you are mentioned in. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.